What's up guys? Thanks for watching my channel and welcome back again. I hope you guys have benefited from my last video about CureVac IPO and you guys earned some decent profit out of that IPO listing. And thanks for the great support that you guys provided to the channel. This video has crossed more than 320 view and that is the highest view ever we had in our channel. Okay, so if you guys new to the channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the thumbs up button and please share with your friends. That will be really helpful for the channel. I'm just being transparent here. I'm just sharing all my trading strategy and what I'm buying and what I'm selling, everything over here. As I promised in my last video, I'm going to update now about how much shares I bought on CureVac and how much I'm currently holding and how much I have done the profit booking. As you guys know, CureVac is kind of great success for us that we can celebrate. Okay, so let's give high level view on what is going on with my both of the account. So CureVac it listed on Friday, August 14th. So the IPO price, the range between $14 and $16 that we have already discussed in my last video, but when it opened, okay, it came to around more than $40 per share, and around the closing it went till 60 plus. Okay, so that is the main reason, that I suggested like you guys to buy these shares. So the CureVac has lot of advantages and lot of expectation. Like I mentioned before, it's backed by Bill Gates and he invested lot on this company. That's one of the reason the share surged more than 3 times. And also CureVac, they already completed 2 trials on the vaccine and they are entering into trial 3 and they are expecting they will complete the trial successfully and that will be like biggest success for the company. Many investors like federal government of Germany and Bill Gates, Qatar investment, so there are lot of investors are investing on this CureVac pharma company. The thing is that since it had a highest expectation, the share opened around more than 40. So what I have done is I have changed the order once I placed in the morning. So let me quickly go over what are the trades that I have done in my both of the account. Can we start? Let's go. So initially let me share about my Fidelity account, how much I bought and how much I sold. Let me go back to the day on Friday. So on Friday the share opened around $40 per share and it came down little bit, okay, till 36 point something. So I have purchased immediately with the current price. Initially I made a purchase of 25 shares with amount of 37.375. So I purchased for approximately $934 initially 25 shares. After that, again I had some more amount left over. I expected it will go a little bit down, but it went up and it was pretty strong. Again I purchased 15 shares at the average cost of 41.38. The overall average for 40 quantity it came approximately to $38. Okay, so I have purchased 40 shares with CVAC on my Fidelity account. So let me quickly show you what I have purchased and how many shares I have done with Robinhood account. Okay, so on the Robinhood account I have done the same thing. If you see here, I have cancelled so many orders in the morning because I was changing the price limit. Initially I went with $20 per share, then changed to $25, but unexpectedly it opened around $40. Still, I have changed my order and I purchased 25 shares with average cost of $38.21 in my Robinhood account. Okay, so here I have purchased 25 shares and there I have purchased 40 shares. So overall I purchased 65 shares. Okay, then after that I started selling on the same day in both of the accounts. Let me go to Fidelity first and then we'll come to Robinhood account. Okay, so in Fidelity account on the same day I sold 10 shares with average price of $55 per share. So I sold 10 shares on Friday in my Robinhood account. If you come to Fidelity account, if I come to Robinhood account on the same day I sold multiple times and bought again. So first time I sold for $51 and next time I sold for $49. Again it went down to 44 something, so I purchased again $10 at the price of 44.50. Expected that it will go up again. So again I sold off 10 shares at the price of $49. Okay, again today morning, you know I was holding like 5 shares in this account, so I sold with the price of 84.87. So that was the highest price in my selling thing. So I sold only 5 shares at that price in my Robinhood account. So after I realized that, you know again we have to hold more. When the share came down to 68 point something, again I purchased some 10 quantity in my Robinhood account. So currently in my Robinhood account I sold 25 shares, 10 shares initially at 51 something and then 49. Again I purchased for 44, then sold 10 shares at 49 and then 5 shares today morning at 84.87 per share and again bought back at 68.90. Currently I'm holding 10 shares in my portfolio. I can show it to you guys. If I see my portfolio, still I'm holding 10 shares with average cost of 68.90 that I purchased today in my Robinhood account. If we look into the Fidelity account, so in Fidelity, like I mentioned, I sold 10 shares on Friday itself with average cost of 55 and then remaining shares I sold today. Still I'm holding 10 more shares. Okay, so today I sold 10 shares with average cost of 70.69 and another 10 shares with average cost of 77.20. Okay, okay guys, to conclude that currently I'm holding 10 shares of CVAC in my Fidelity account with average cost of 41.38 and I sold all the remaining shares. I'm going to hold these shares for really longer term in my Fidelity account and in my Robinhood account also I'm holding 10 shares with average cost of 68.90 that I purchased today. So these shares I'm planning to sell around 90. So I will sell these shares in my Robinhood account and I will be holding my Fidelity account shares. So thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video we are just sharing about the experience from the last video and in future we will be discussing a lot on the upcoming shares and what I'll be purchasing and what IPO we will be analyzing, all those stuff. Okay, so keep subscribe this channel and if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. We'll see you in next video. Take care. Bye.